Hello and welcome back to my channel. Once again, I thought it would be fun if I would do a makeup tutorial today. But before we get into that, I have a little announcement to make. I will not be posting as much in the following month, I think, just because my vacation period is over. Like, this is my last day of vacation right now. I'm starting school again on Monday. And my finals start in 6 days. So I will be working on that. And you probably will not see me uploading for a bit until I get back. Anyway, that was the little announcement. So let's get into this video. So I saw a picture on Instagram from the Wigs and Makeup Manager, and it was this floral skull kind of look where she had flowers like 3D around her eyes, and she was inspired by Realm Artist on Instagram as well, which I will put somewhere around the screen, their Instagram and stuff, so you can check them out, and I really hope you do because they are amazing. I love their art. It's stunning. So I thought I could do like also a floral kind of look with like the 3D flowers around my eyes. So that's what we're going to try today. I hope it works out, and if you are interested in all that, just keep on watching. So I just cut like some flower petal shapes out of white paper, and I think I will just start applying them around my eye with eyelash glue. Now, this certainly doesn't blend in with my skin, so I'm just going to like cover this edge with some glue. And now, to match the flower to the rest of my skin, I will be once again painting my face white. I'm going to contour with like a gray shade because we want the focus on the eyes, not the cheeks. Now, I don't have any eyebrows showing, so I am just going to move straight onto the eyes, and I thought it would be really nice to do like a rainbow eye, or just using like lots and lots of colors, because pretty much everything in this look is going to be black and white, so I really want the eyes to just pop. Now I am going to decorate the edges of each petal with like some black details, just like a nice little trim. I am now just going to apply mascara and some false eyelashes. I am going to finish the other eye and then we can move on to the rest of the face. I have convinced myself that I need more glitter, so therefore I will be using a bunch of glitter and just put it all around my eye. I think this is it for the eye makeup, so I am going to apply some dark lipstick and then a glittery lip gloss on top of that. I think the makeup is done, so I am going to put on my wig and my outfit thing. I haven't planned anything for that, but I will be right back. This really isn't the right lip color, so I'm just gonna take it off and change it into black lipstick. So this is this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, share, subscribe, you know, that YouTube stuff if you did. And I'll see you next time.